Hey YouTube, it's Girl Laferet and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'll be going back to basics. I will be showing you guys my routine or my natural hair routine. This is part wash day, part styling of my twist outs, and we're going back to all my natural hair products that I normally use, and also we're doing this with a twist. We'll be having a special guest, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail. Brad, my boyfriend, will be doing the voiceover today. So if you'd like to hear Brad in his Dominican accent do my voiceover, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video.
Alright, so take off your hair tie. I don't know. What is that? Alright, you untwist your hair and thing. Wait, your makeup you're doing or you're doing your hair? I don't understand. So, okay. Alright, a little fast forward on the hair. Oh, we transition. Alright. I'm not too sure. Alright, I guess you're preparing your. Wait, what are we doing? What are you doing your hair? I honestly thought you were doing makeup. Honestly, I honestly thought you were doing makeup. Alright, so you separating things, taking hair apart. You're probably gonna make a bunch of separations and make more hair and make more parts. You clump it down. You spray some water and what? Well, that look like there's some mixed things in that. Alright, so now you're gonna use some porous oil. Porous. Oh man, you're pouring that all over. Okay. Yeah, you don't look like you're too happy there. You don't look like you're too happy. Alright, so you have the brush, easy detangler, easy to take that out. Alright, look like the hair have a little frizz on that. Yeah, man, have to, well, not frizz, just look tangle up, so you have to use the easy detangle to detangle that after spraying the like white soluble water. Alright, now you're gonna plait it up and thing now. Alright, twist it up. I don't know what they call them type of twist there. You just do two hair on the side. I don't know what they call that. That's what is it, like a French twist or something? Or just regular plait? Alright. So you massaging your head now. Massage your head, yeah. Oh, that shit feel good. Yeah, that shit feel good. You like that? I look like I would like that too. Alright, so you look fresh now. You look like you wash your hair. Do you wash your hair, yeah? Or you rinse it out or something, yeah? Okay. Now you're gonna do the thing again. So now you're putting some pattern in that. So you're probably gonna put some patterns in your hair now. Pattern, I guess. Pattern cream. You separate the hair now. And I guess that's the pattern you're rubbing in there. So you're gonna make some two hair sided. So a pattern with two hair splits. And now you're gonna put some more porous in that, I guess. Porous. 5, 2, 3 drops of porous. And now you're taking that out now. Nice. That looking good. I don't know what you're doing there, but your hair looking good. I guess what, shea butter? No. It look like homemade, so homemade butter. And you're gonna lather that up now. So that hair looking nice and dark. Even the baby hair is looking nice and dark. So eyes, clear eyes. The hell is that? Gel? Put some gel in that and twist it up some more. I guess the gel is to make it a little bit more firm and then it'll stick better. Nice. Just fast forward. I didn't know you were so fast. You're doing that pretty damn quick. Call the Avengers, boy. Give Charlene a spot on the team. Alright, so this pulling down thing, I'm not too sure what the pulling down thing is. Like, I know I see you pulling down, but I'm not too sure. Now you're looking like you're doing a different type of twist. And that look like a free twist. Let's call it twist, man. Free twist. So the first time was a 2 twist, now a 3 twist, and now you're just gonna be I guess that's the pattern you're doing there now. That's the pattern happening. Alright, yeah. Superpowers. And I don't know what you're doing. What are you doing there? You're taking 2 parts of your hair and you're making 5 parts. So you're just making more hair. Yeah, you're just making more hair. You're making more hair to twist more twists. Alright, and you're doing a free twist. Nice. Oh, that shit look good. That shit look good. You know what I remind me of? Coming to America, you know that little Soul Glow. Just let it go, girl. Soul Glow. No. I don't know this song, but you're gonna put some more porous in that. Porous that shit up. Oh, I can't say that word. Porous it up. Nice. You oil up. Okay, so you look like you're gonna get prepared to do your makeup too, but you're looking to make sure you put the porous. Porous looking like it's for hair growth, but I don't know, you're making you shine a little too. You look good. Oh yeah. Oh wait. You're taking off the twist now. That's a shocker to me. You take all that time to take it out. Alright. Okay, you're gonna take off everything, so you start put the superpowers to take everything out, I guess. Oh yeah. I guess that's what the pattern do. The pattern give you like them little pattern curls or some shit, yeah? Or something. Sorry, I said the word I'm not supposed to say. Forgive me, YouTube. Alright, so yeah, the pattern going on. I guess you're gonna take everything out. I'm waiting for the superpowers, just make everything just stop. And they're gone. Yep. No? Yeah. Oh! Woo. Yeah, that looking good. That looking good. That looking better than twist, man. Boy, you look like you... Oh no, you're still taking twist out. Yeah? Yeah, man, you're still taking twist out. I myself thought you take twist out already. But that sounds a little good, man. Nice. Oh wait, we're not gonna see your makeup? But either way, you look good, man. You look good. Well, is it a meme that... You look good. It's a meme that goes like that, but yeah, look good, beautiful. You just had to hit them with the slow motion now. Hit slow motion? No? You talking, but I talking. So am I talking or you talking?
I hope you guys were entertained by Brad and his antics. I haven't edited this video yet, so I'm excited to hear what he has to say. But thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part.